Welcome to Flower Care Garden. Today, I'm going to share a very simple way to make a natural fertilizer right at home. The ingredients are easy to find, the cost is minimal, and the process is quick, yet the results can truly surprise you. This method helps anthuriums develop strong roots, glossy green leaves, and long-lasting blooms without relying on chemical fertilizers. If you enjoy caring for anthuriums in a natural and safe way, this is definitely a method you should try. Now, let's get started. The ingredient I use to care for my anthurium is fresh orange peel. A simple, natural material rich in beneficial compounds. Orange peel contains natural essential oils and minerals like potassium and calcium, which support root development and improve overall plant resilience. First, I peel the orange and collect the peel. Then finely chop it to increase the surface area. Cutting it into smaller pieces allows the natural oils and minerals to be released more efficiently during soaking, creating a gentle, plant-friendly nutrient solution. Over time, this helps the anthurium grow more steadily, develop stronger roots, and maintain glossy, healthy leaves. The second ingredient we're using today is rice. I combine 3 tablespoons of rice with the orange peel to provide a moderate source of starch and natural trace nutrients, supporting a balanced microbial environment in the growing medium. Next, I add about 1 liter of boiling water to the jar containing the orange peel and rice to activate heat extraction, helping release minerals and natural compounds in a more plant-available form. I stir well to enhance nutrient diffusion, then seal the jar and let it steep for about 2 hours, until the solution reaches a stable infusion stage before applying it to the anthurium. Before applying nutrients, I always check the overall condition of my anthurium. If I see older leaves or overcrowded growth at the base restricting airflow, I trim them back. When leaves are too tightly packed, moisture can accumulate around the crown, increasing the risk of fungal issues and slowing healthy growth. I use scissors to cut close to the base, removing aging, yellowing, or overcrowded leaves. This simple pruning step improves air circulation, allows better light penetration, and keeps the base of the plant more balanced. As a result, the anthurium can focus its energy on healthy foliage and stronger new growth. After soaking the orange peel and rice for 2 hours, I strain the mixture to remove all solids, keeping only the light yellow nutrient-rich liquid. Which country are you watching from? I'm happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share from all around the world. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of clean water to the strained solution and stir gently to dilute it to the proper concentration. This dilution makes the mixture milder, easier for the plant to absorb, and ready to use as a safe natural fertilizer. Method 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the diluted orange peel and rice solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, including both the top and underside. This leaf care step helps maintain a clean and healthy leaf surface. The orange peel solution provides mild levels of natural compounds and minerals such as potassium and calcium, which can support water balance within the leaf tissue and improve structural strength. Meanwhile, the extracted starch and trace nutrients from rice create a gentle environment that helps maintain stable physiological functions. Regular leaf wiping also removes dust, water residue, and fungal spores that may accumulate on the surface, reducing the risk of clogged stomata. When stomata remain clear, gas exchange and photosynthesis function more efficiently, allowing the plant to produce energy effectively for growth. With clean, lightly nourished leaves, you'll notice thicker texture, deeper green color, and a natural glossy appearance. I typically apply this method once every 2 weeks to keep the leaf surface clean, stabilize plant functions, and support bud formation in my Anthurium. Method 2. I pour the diluted orange peel and rice solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire Anthurium, including both the upper and lower leaf surfaces. The fine mist ensures even coverage without soaking the plant. When properly diluted and applied as a gentle spray, the solution forms a thin moisture layer on the leaf surface. Natural minerals such as potassium, calcium, and trace elements from the orange peel, along with mild starch compounds from the rice, help support water balance and stable physiological function. The fine mist also helps clean the leaf surface and keep the stomata unobstructed. When stomata remain clear, gas exchange and photosynthesis function more efficiently, supporting chlorophyll production and overall plant development. It is important to avoid leaving excess water on the leaves or in the leaf axils to reduce the risk of fungal issues. I typically spray early in the morning or late in the afternoon when airflow is good and sunlight is gentle. This allows the leaves to dry naturally, preventing prolonged moisture stress and protecting the leaf tissue of the Anthurium. Method 3. After finishing the leaf wiping and misting steps, I use the remaining orange peel and rice solution to water the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. I pour it slowly and evenly to ensure it soaks down into the root zone, where nutrient absorption is most effective. This solution provides natural minerals such as potassium and calcium from the orange peel, along with mild starch and trace nutrients from the rice. Together, they support stable root development and improve the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients from the medium. When applied periodically at the right concentration, it also helps maintain a loose growing structure and supports beneficial microbial balance around the roots. With a strong root system, the Anthurium develops more sustainably, producing deeper green leaves, thicker foliage, and improved blooming performance. After watering, I allow the medium to absorb the solution for about 10 minutes before placing the plant back in bright, indirect light with good airflow to ensure optimal root stability and nutrient uptake. After allowing the Anthurium to absorb the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently remove the plant and place it in an area with diffused light. Soft natural light that is not direct. A bright shaded spot or filtered light through a curtain is ideal, helping the plant stabilize without heat stress. Step 4. I use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe and dry the entire leaf surface. Removing excess moisture prevents water from collecting in leaf joints and crevices, reducing the risk of fungal growth, mealybugs, or leaf rot, especially in humid environments. Clean, dry leaves improve photosynthesis and natural respiration while preventing water stains or white residue from forming as droplets evaporate. Once finished, I keep the plant in a well-ventilated space with bright, indirect light to maintain a healthy environment. With simple ingredients like coffee powder and rice, we can create a completely natural plant care routine at home. No chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques required. With a little time and care, your plant will reward you with deep green leaves, vibrant blooms, and lasting vitality. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of resilience and good fortune. Thank you for joining me today on Flower Care Garden. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural and plant-friendly care methods. I'll see you in the next video.